Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a little parts haul as well as some information on what these are for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner. You can use them on a few years and I'll explain that in the video. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So these are actually from Toyota. These are Toyota parts. So this right here is a housing connector. It is part number 90980-11003. And this is the little white connector that physically is wired to the vehicle, and this plug actually goes into the fog light housings. So this I actually took this rusted out housing right here. It's pretty rusted. It's pretty bad. But this plug right here plugs into this plug. And these are the pigtail sides that they're already pre-made by Toyota. They have the brown little rubber bushings for the connector. These go into the connector themselves, and then you just wire this straight into the original harness. Not sure why Toyota sells them in black and black. I would have thought getting these directly from Toyota, because these two wires came from Toyota too. They are part number 82998-12440. It's quantity of 2. Same for these. It's 82998-12440. Them coming from Toyota, you think they would have been the same color as the original Toyota wires, which is white with a purple stripe, and then blue with a brown stripe, and then I believe the other side was like an orange with a black stripe and a green with a blue stripe, something like that. But you can just I got these for the limited because the housings, just like I showed just a second ago, these housings were pretty rusted out, and this connector on the passenger side was actually partially melted. Not sure why it was melted, because when I was actually hooked up, I got brand new housings and brand new lights, bolted them up and everything, and I plugged the partially melted cable in, and it powers the light fine. Not sure, can't really tell what happened. These did come from Toyota. This sticker is the sticker that they put on it, that it was going to Day Auto Supply, which is the Napa that I buy my parts from. Same with this one. It's a batch sticker. But this is the Toyota Lexus sticker, 90980-1103. They're the exact same for both sides. The wiring doesn't change, it's just the direction of the brackets on the lights that do. So this is a driver side. So this mount right here would be actually facing this way if it was a passenger side. But just figured I'd show you guys if you guys are interested, or you guys need these, or you need to rewire some fog lights, or your wires are messed up or anything. You can get these separate. It was $30 per set, because Toyota sells these little cables individually. Each wire is individual and the connector is individual. It comes out to be $30 for one set. So I'm going to end up probably ordering another two sets to have them. I know the SR5 is probably going to need repair anyways for this stuff when I got into the wreck. But just some information, part numbers. This part number is a Toyota part number. It's just Toyota didn't put the sticker on it like this. This is the housing connector, and this is just the pigtails. Just a little information for you guys if you need any of this information. I hope it helps. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!